Hey everyone, how are you doing? My name's Burgess. I just wanted to let you know that I haven't really had the chance to paint anything this week. I haven't really had been able to find a painting spot where I'm not really interrupted, or and people aren't coming in and out, or where I have to mute the sound, or where I have to keep quiet because I'm doing a tutorial. So I haven't been able to do anything like that. So this week, I just wanted to let you know that the video you're about to see the video you're about to see isn't the best video. It's just something I did at the a drop of a hat, just to fulfill the criteria of doing one video a week, which is what a lot of gurus say. They say do two videos a week. For me, even one is too difficult to do because of the space constraints. So I just wanted to let you know that this is a 5 minute video of a vase containing dry flowers. The reference photo is actually mine. It's actually a time lapse, so it's only 5 minutes. So do have a look at that, and hopefully I'll be able to see you in my next video when I'll be able to hopefully be able to do a full-fledged watercolor tutorial using my favorite painting supplies. This is done with brush pens, some metallic Signo pens, and do have a look at that video. And the quality is not great. I don't like the video, and I don't know whether you like the video. Do let me know in the comment section whether you think it's okay. um, but as you can see from my surroundings, this is not a painting studio. It's actually a storeroom of the building in which I live, and it's a place where they store unwanted things or things temporarily until they need them. So I've asked them, can I use the room for 2 minutes just to record this? Even recording this was difficult in that room, where normally, because there are ladies in there and they're studying, and so it's a bit hard, and they'll be there till 6 o'clock when the room actually then closes. So a lot of the time I'm painting at 6:37, when there's 100% guarantee that nobody will come in. But for me to be able to do that means I have to get up really early, and that's really exhausting sometimes. So I think twice before I do that, although I think I might have to do something like that on Saturday or Sunday. But yeah, for this one, I just wanted to let you know that I haven't been able to do a proper video. And but I still want you to have a look at this video and tell me what you think. And if you like it, do consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in my next video when I'll be able to do something worthwhile. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you.